Good afternoon. Welcome to the education channel. We will discuss today about lecture 4 of weekly current affairs. And this weekly current affairs is regarding 27th October 2025 to 2nd November 2025, between this period. Coming to the questions. Your first question is, at the Archery World Cup Final 2025, Final 2025 held in Nanjing in China, who became the first Indian woman compound archer to win a medal? Who became the first Indian women compound archer to win a medal? What is the correct? Your option is Parneet Kaur, Jyoti Surekha Benam, Kumud Saini and Aditi Swami. Correct answer is, your correct answer is Jyoti Surekha Benam, right? Second questions. In October 2025, approx how many lakh earthen lamps were light in Ayodhya to create a Guinness World Record? 26.17 lakh. Question number 3. Which became the first country in Latin America to legalize euthanasia? Euthanasia is related to Article 21 of Fundamental Right. Article 21 of Fundamental Right of Indian Constitutions. Right? We will discuss in Article 21 in Indian Constitution regarding euthanasia. Is it supported in India or not? Right? So the question is, which became the first country in Latin America to legalize euthanasia? Right? Your answer is Uruguay. Argentina, Brazil and Suriname. I think Uruguay, Argentina, Brazil, all these are South American country, Latin American country. Question number 4. Which city became India's first to launch a real-time flood forecasting system? Real-time flood forecasting system. Your correct answer is Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. India's first to launch a real-time flood forecasting system in Chennai, right? Next question, question number 5. India launched the Ramanujan Junior Researcher Program. A mathematician. Ramanujan is a mathematician. India launched the Ramanujan Junior Researchers Program in collaboration with which country? Your option is China, France, United Kingdom and Australia. The correct answer will be United Kingdom. Actually, the answer is also given on the slide below. You can see this. Who sang the official song of the FIDE World Cup 2025? Who sang the official song of the FIDE World Cup 2025? Your option is Diljit Dosanjh, Sonu Nigam, Arjit Singh, Daler Mehndi. The correct answer is Daler Mehndi, right? Which country tested the world's first nuclear-powered cruise missile? Burevestnik. You can guess the name according to this word. Your option is USA, Japan, China and Russia. This word is very nearly to Russia, right? Russia has tested the world's first nuclear-powered cruise missile. The name is Burevestnik. Question number 8. Where is India's first glass suspension bridge, Bajrang Setu, being built? Where is India's first glass suspension bridge, Bajrang Setu, is being built? Your option is Badrinath, Mumbai, Mathura and Rishikesh. So the correct answer will be Rishikesh. Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. Next question is, who is the author of the book Modi's Mission? Who is the author of the book? The name is Modi's Mission. Your option is Shivam Mittal, Varghese Desai, Neeraj Sharma, Ankur Tripathi. The correct answer is Varghese Desai. Which country became the first non-NATO nation to participate in a Space Ocean Sky 2025 exercise? First non-NATO country. to participate in Spain's Ocean Sky 2025. NATO came in 1948, extended as North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Right? So your question is, which country became the first non-NATO nation to participate in Spain's Ocean Sky 2025 exercise? Your option is India, China, America, Armenia and Japan. So the correct answer is India. This is very important question. Maybe asked further exam. Question number 11. Which position did India secure in the South Asian Athletics Championship 2025 medal tally? Right? So the first, India got first award. India got first rank in South Asian Athletics Championship 2025. What is the name of Earth's second temporary moon discovered by NASA? What is the name of the Earth's second temporary moon discovered by NASA? The correct answer is 2025 P9PN7. 2025 PN7. This is also very important questions because it is the second temporary moon discovered by NASA. Right? Which country hosted the APEC AIG meeting of for the first time? APSC AIG meeting for the first time. Correct answer is India. Because of the India, question is important. Which Indian Grandmaster won 2 gold medals each in the European Chess Club Cup 2025? Which Indian Grandmasters won 2 gold medals each in the European Chess Club 2025? So answer is, your first one is Gukesh and then Divya Deshmukh. Both are A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B. Right? Srikit Kitiyakara, who passed away at age 93, was former queen of which country? Was former queen of which country? Your correct answer is Thailand. Which country became the 19th member of IUCN? 19th member of IUCN. Tuvalu. Correct answer is Tuvalu. Tuvalu is a country. Which country was elected Vice Chair of UNESCO Anti-Doping COP10 Asia Pacific Bureau? Vice Chair of UNESCO Anti-Doping COP10 Asia Pacific Bureau. The correct answer is India, and because of India, question is very important. Which state announced India's first underwater tunnel project? Your option is Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Odisha. The correct answer is Kerala. India's first underwater tunnel project, right? India's first underwater tunnel project. In which state is Adani's Godda Power plant approved for national grid connection? In which state? Jharkhand. Your correct answer is Jharkhand. Who was appointed Chief Product and Business Officer of Google Cloud? Karthik Narayan. Correct answer is Karthik Narayan was appointed Chief Product and Business Officer of Google Cloud. Who received the Sakharov Prize 2025? Both Majia Amaglobili and Andres Pokjobert. Both are correct. So your correct answer will be both A and B. Correct answer will be C. Which country won double gold in Kabaddi at Asian Youth Games 2025? Kabaddi at Asian Youth Games 2025. Correct answer will be India. When was ITBP Foundation Day celebrated? ITBP Foundation Day celebrated 24th October. And 24th October 1945. I think UN Day also. United Nations Day celebration day is also 24th October. Who became Japan's first voice actor selected for persons of cultural merit? Right? Your correct answer is Masako Nozawa. In which year was Piyush Pandey awarded Padma Shri? In which year was Piyush Pandey was awarded as Padma Shri? Correct answer is 2016. Correct answer is seventh ASEAN member. Important question है. ASEAN member, 11th ASEAN member. ASEAN total there are 10 members. ASEAN is a Southeast Asian country. Southeast Asian nation. Southeast. India is not a member of ASEAN, right? Which country become the 11th ASEAN member? So the correct answer is East Timor, right? East Timor, Association of Southeast Asian Nation, right? So there are total 11 members right now in ASEAN. India is a member of SAARC, South Asia. India is a South Asian country, not Southeast Asian country. Who became the 10th president of Ireland? Who became the 10th president of Ireland? Correct answer is Catherine Connolly. Correct answer is Catherine Connolly. Which country's CR450 train set world speed record? Obvious. The record is 450 train set world record. Obvious. Its correct answer will be China. Which year was declared as ASEAN India Maritime Cooperation Year? Right? The correct answer is 2026. ASEAN India Maritime Cooperation Year 2026. Where was Udbhav Utsav International Dance Festival held? Your option is Pune, Lucknow, Gwalior and Bangalore. The correct answer will be Gwalior. Which country named Cyclone Montha? Cyclone Montha was named by Thailand. Named by Thailand. Justice Suryakant was appointed as India's which Chief Justice? Which number? Right? So Justice Suryakant was appointed as India's which Chief Justice? 53rd. The position is 53rd rank, 53rd order wise. Who received Science Ratna Award posthumously? The correct answer will be Jayant Narlikar. Jayant Narlikar. What is the name of India's first indigenous anti-submarine vessel? What is the name of India's first indigenous anti-submarine vessel? The correct answer is INS Mahe. INS Mahe is the India's first indigenous anti-submarine vessel. Who was named top agri-food pioneer by World Food Prize Foundation? Who was named top agri-food pioneer by World Food WFP Foundation? WFPF. World Food Prize Foundation. The correct answer is Sanjeev Kapoor. Correct answer is Sanjeev Kapoor. Which company announced world's first 3D wind data satellite network? World's first 3D wind data satellite network. Correct answer is Stellars. Stellars Technology. Who won Mexican Grand Prix F1 Championship? Who won Mexican Grand Prix F1 Championship? The correct answer is Lando Norris. Correct answer is Lando Norris. When will 8th Pay Commission be implemented? When will 8th Pay Commission be implemented? The correct answer will be January 1st, 2026, next year. National Unity Day is observed on birth anniversary of whom? Very simple and easy questions. 31st October. National Unity Day is observed on birth anniversary of whom? Obvious. The correct answer will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, right? Which fighter jet did President Draupadi Murmu fly? The correct answer will be Rafale. Correct answer will be Rafale. So these were the questions of today's lecture. Now we will meet in next lecture. Thank you so much for class. Thank you.